When you search for portable bidets, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, FOOFOO Portable Bidet Blue. The FOOFOO Portable Bidet in blue immediately stands out with its large capacity of 15.8 ounces and sleek design. Priced at just $8.99, it caught my attention with its eco-friendly promise and user-friendly features. If you want a reliable travel companion for personal hygiene, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bidet doesn't require batteries, which means you can fill it with either cool or warm water and squeeze it to get a refreshing clean. The long-reach nozzle allows you to control the direction effortlessly, making it incredibly convenient for any situation, whether it's a road trip or a camping adventure. Plus, it's rated 4.4 stars with over 3,400 reviews, showing that many people agree it works well. The large capacity means you can clean thoroughly without needing to refill, which is crucial when you're on the go. Now, some people complained about the nozzle being a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, it loosens up with use, so don't let that deter you. If you're looking for a basic, effective solution, this bidet is still a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you value simplicity and effectiveness on your travels. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features or a different design. Now, if the blue option feels a bit too basic for you, the gray version from the same brand is up next and might catch your eye even more. Product number 2, FOOFOO Portable Bidet Gray. The FOOFOO Portable Bidet in gray is just as impressive as the blue model, also boasting a 15.8-ounce capacity and a price tag of $8.99. This model has the same effective features with a slightly different aesthetic. If you want a reliable, eco-friendly option for hygiene on the go, this is worth a serious look. Just like its blue sibling, this bidet operates without batteries, allowing you to fill it with warm or cool water for a refreshing experience. The long-reach nozzle provides excellent control, making it ideal for personal cleansing wherever you are. With a 4.4-star rating and thousands of satisfied users, it's clear this bidet is a solid choice. The large capacity also means fewer refills when you're traveling, which is a huge plus. Now, some users did mention that the nozzle might be a bit tricky to aim at first. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's fairly easy to use. Don't let that stop you if you want a straightforward solution for your travel hygiene needs. This is perfect for you if you prefer a minimalist design that still delivers on performance. Skip this one if you want something with extra features or a different size. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for specific hygiene needs. Product number 3, Brondell Go Spa Travel Bidet GS70. The Brondell Go Spa Travel Bidet GS70 is a bit pricier at $9.99, but it brings some unique features to the table. With a capacity of 400 ml and a compact, collapsible design, it's perfect for those who want to save space. If you're looking for something tailored for postpartum care or easy everyday use, this is worth a serious look. What sets this model apart is its angled nozzle that pops up for easier access, meaning you can get a more controlled cleanse. It's designed to fit easily in your bags without taking up much room, making it ideal for travel. Plus, with a 4.2-star rating and over 8,600 reviews, many users appreciate its functionality. The large capacity also means you won't be constantly refilling it, which is a game changer on long trips. Now, some customers did mention that the nozzle can feel a bit fragile. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be lightweight and compact, so just handle it with care. If you're looking for a small but effective option, it's absolutely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need a compact solution that helps with postpartum care or just want something easy to transport. Skip this one if you're looking for a more robust design. Now, if you want something not only compact but also comes in a pack, the next product is definitely for you. Product number 4, TONELIFE Portable Bidet. The TONELIFE Portable Bidet comes in a pack of 2 for $17.99, which is a great deal for those who want to share or keep one in multiple locations. With a 450 ml capacity, this handheld bidet offers a solid clean. If you want a high-pressure option that's perfect for travel and everyday use, this is worth a serious look. This bidet is designed with an ergonomic shape and a detachable nozzle for a better clean. The 7-inch angled nozzle helps with easy use, ensuring you don't have to twist your body too much. The 15-ounce capacity means you can get a thorough clean without stopping for a refill too soon. Rated at 4.3 stars with over 3,600 reviews, users appreciate its pressure and design. Now, some people found the bottles a bit on the flimsy side. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, they hold up well. If you're looking for effective hygiene on the go, this is still a great pick. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that comes in a pack. Skip this one if you need a more durable feeling product. Now, if you're seeking something specifically designed for postpartum and perineal care, the next one is just what you need. Product number 5, Easy at Home Portable Piri Bottle. The Easy at Home Portable Piri Bottle stands out for postpartum care, priced at $14.52. With a capacity of 380 ml, it's designed specifically for new moms. If you're looking for a gentle and effective way to maintain hygiene after childbirth, this is worth a serious look. This bidet features a leak-proof design, which is a huge advantage for hygienic transport. You can simply fill it with water, hold it upside down, and clean sensitive areas comfortably. This makes it easy to use at home or while traveling. With a rating of 4.2 stars and over 786 reviews, many users have found it invaluable after delivery. It's lightweight and compact, fitting easily in your bag without adding bulk. Now, some users mentioned that it might not have enough water capacity for some. Here's the thing though, it's meant for gentle cleansing rather than heavy-duty use, so for most postpartum needs, it's just right. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dedicated postpartum hygiene product. Skip this one if you need something larger for everyday use. To wrap up, we've covered some fantastic options, each with its own strengths, so you can find what best fits your travel needs. To recap, the FOO options are great for basic travel needs, while the Brondell one adds a touch of sophistication with its collapsible design. The TONELIFE bidet is fantastic for sharing, and the Easy at Home model is perfect for new moms. Each has its own charm, so pick the one that speaks to your travel lifestyle.